Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Torque problems can be tricky. Let's find which diagrams create a larger torque than our initial baseline scenario right now. First, remember that torque depends on the force magnitude, the distance from the pivot, and the angle. We calculate it by multiplying the force by the lever arm's perpendicular distance. In our original setup, the force acts at the midpoint with an angle theta. To beat that torque, we need a longer lever arm or a force applied more perpendicularly. Diagrams C and D increase these factors significantly. This makes the resulting torque larger than the original value we started with today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to judgment. Trust the given values and check your steps.